The Complete Guide to AI Model Types, Understanding the Six Pillars of Artificial Intelligence. This comprehensive overview breaks down the six fundamental categories of AI models that power today's artificial intelligence applications, each serving distinct purposes and using different approaches to solve complex problems. Machine learning models. The foundation. Machine learning models represent the traditional approach to AI, where algorithms learn from historical data to make predictions or decisions. These models excel at pattern recognition and predictive analytics. Examples include linear regression for forecasting, decision trees for classification problems, and support vector machines for complex data separation tasks. The workflow typically involves data collection, feature engineering, model training, and deployment for predictions. Deep learning models. The neural network revolution. Deep learning models utilize artificial neural networks with multiple layers to process complex, unstructured data. These models have revolutionized AI by enabling computers to automatically learn hierarchical representations of data. Popular examples include convolutional neural networks, CNNs, for image processing, recurrent neural networks, RNNs, for sequential data, and transformers for language understanding. The workflow involves massive data sets, intensive training on specialized hardware, and fine-tuning for specific applications. Generative models. Creating new content. Generative models represent the cutting edge of AI creativity, capable of producing new content that resembles training data. These models have captured public imagination through applications like ChatGPT for text generation, DALL-E for image creation, and advanced language models for code generation. Examples include generative adversarial networks, GANs, variational autoencoders, VAEs, and large language models like GPT-4. The workflow focuses on learning data distributions and generating novel, realistic outputs. Hybrid models, combining. Strengths hybrid models merge different AI approaches to leverage their combined strengths while mitigating individual weaknesses. These models might combine symbolic reasoning with neural networks or integrate multiple deep learning architectures. Examples include neurosymbolic systems that blend logic with learning, ensemble methods that combine multiple models, and multimodal systems that process different data types simultaneously. This approach often yields more robust and versatile AI solutions. Natural language processing models. Understanding human language. NLP models specialize in processing and understanding human language in all its complexity. These models handle tasks ranging from simple text classification to complex language generation and translation. Key examples include BERT for language understanding, GPT models for text generation, and T5 for text-to-text tasks. The workflow typically involves text pre-processing, tokenization, model training on large text corpora, and fine-tuning for specific language tasks. Computer vision models. Seeing and understanding. Images. Computer vision models enable machines to interpret and understand visual information from the world around us. These models process images and videos to extract meaningful information, recognize objects, and understand spatial relationships. Examples include YOLO for object detection, ResNet for image classification, and semantic segmentation models for pixel-level understanding. The workflow involves image pre-processing, feature extraction, model training on annotated datasets, and deployment for real-world visual tasks. The interconnected ecosystem. These six model types don't exist in isolation. Modern AI applications often combine multiple approaches to create comprehensive solutions. For instance, a chatbot might use NLP models for language understanding, generative models for response creation, and machine learning models for user behavior prediction. Choosing the right model. Type. The selection of model type depends on the specific problem, available data, computational resources, and desired outcomes. Traditional machine learning excels with structured data and clear patterns. Deep learning handles complex, unstructured data. Generative models create new content. Hybrid approaches solve complex, multifaceted problems. NLP models process language, and computer vision models handle visual data. The future of AI models. As AI continues to evolve, the boundaries between these model types are increasingly blurred. We're seeing the emergence of foundation models that can handle multiple tasks, multimodal models that process different data, types, and increasingly sophisticated hybrid approaches that combine the best aspects of each category. Understanding these 6 fundamental types provides the foundation for navigating the complex and rapidly evolving landscape of artificial intelligence, enabling better decisions about which approaches to use for specific challenges and applications.